I'm going to show you how to log into Diigo. You can click sign in or sign up at the top of the page here. I already have an account, but to sign up, you'll click sign up and there's options to choose the different types of account you want. So I chose the free account for the purposes of this assignment, but there are other accounts that give you more options. I will sign into my account to let you see how to use the tool. So this is what you are greeted with when you join this Web 2.0 tool. Up at the top here, there's a Tools button. If you click on it, it will give you the option to download the Chrome extension. So once you install this, you will see the icon come up here at the top of the page. This is the extension that you need to use when you're searching for different resources online. So if I go online and I do a search for Boston Terriers, I can click any website I want. And then I can read about the animal here, their personality, how they live, their history. And if I find something that I think is really important, but I want to remember it, I can click the icon at the top, the extension, and it gives you the option to edit directly onto the text. So under history, I can highlight the information and I can click it to highlight it. I can also leave a sticky note with that text to give myself some ideas for later on. There's also the option of screenshotting the text. So I can specifically take a chunk of the text and save it to the Diigo app. So I can tag it as a standalone image or attach it to a bookmark. So I'll attach it as a bookmark and then it's uploaded successful. So if you go back to your library, it will show you what you've taken. So this shows me the text that I have highlighted, and down here it will show you the image that I screenshotted from the original text. This tool is really easy to use. It's fairly simple. As long as you have the extension up here and you click on it, you can highlight and edit any of the text that you want to keep and review at a later date. So there's instructions on how to use it. It's very user-friendly. There's many tutorials on how to use it. You can collaborate using this tool as well. It's all around just an amazing tool to save very important information, especially if you're working on a research project.